Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pause payments for your app subscription. So guys, if you subscribe to an app on your Play Store, if you subscribe to an app on your Android device, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pause payment so that you'll not be charged anymore from your Android device or from your bank account. So guys, if you subscribe to an app on your Android device on your Play Store, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pause the payment so that you'll not be charged for the time that you don't want to use the app. Let's say for instance, you don't want to use an app subscription for the next 1 month. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pause the app subscription so that you'll not be charged within that 1 month. Let's say for instance, you don't want to use an app for the next 1 month. Maybe you want to start using the app again on the next 2 months. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pause the subscription for that 2 months until the time that you want to start using the app over again. So guys, let me show you guys how you can pause your app subscription so that you'll not be charged when you don't want to be charged. So guys, if you want to learn how to do this, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step that you have to take now is to go over to your Play Store. Since I'm using an Android device, let me tap on my Play Store app right away. Let me tap on it. So guys, once you open up your Play Store, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on your Play Store profile icon, or what is called your Google profile icon. You can see there at the top right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the third option where it is written payments and subscriptions. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now under the payments and subscriptions, what you have to do now is to tap on the second option, which is subscriptions. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now under these subscriptions, this is where you're going to find all the apps that you've subscribed to. As you can see here, I have just one app that I'm subscribed to. So guys, now for me to actually cancel this app subscription, what I have to do now is to tap on the app itself. You can see where the logo is, the arrow is there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see under the manage subscription, these are the details of this app subscriptions. You can go ahead to look at it. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now in order to pause this app subscription, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written pause payments. You can see there at the bottom left corner and the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Let me get to read it out. Set pause length. Your payment will be paused after the current subscription period ends on December 17, 2023. Payment will automatically resume on. So guys, now what you have to do now is to select the time that you want the payment subscription to continue, the time that you want the payment subscription to resume. So guys, now if you want the payment subscription to resume after 1 week, you choose the first option. If you want the payment subscription to resume after 2 weeks, choose the second option. If you want the payment subscription to resume after 3 weeks, then you tap on the third option. But if you want the payment subscription to resume after 4 weeks, then you choose the fourth option. So guys, I want the payment subscription to resume after 4 weeks. I want to pause this app subscription for 4 weeks. So let me tap on the fourth option. You can see the fourth option there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see I've chosen the fourth option. So guys, let me go ahead now to read what is written down there. You can see you can pause payments up to 3 times in 12 months. So guys, you can see after this action now, you can still come back again to actually pause your payment subscription. You can come here to pause this app subscription. So guys, after you've chosen the time that you want your app subscription to be paused, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written confirm. You can see there below at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written at the top, pause upcoming. That means my upcoming app subscription will be paused. My account will not be debited, I will not be billed, I will not be charged a dime. You see, payment will be paused on December 17. I'm supposed to be paying this app subscription by December 17, but because I have paused it, I will not be charged on December 17. I will be charged from January 14. That means my app subscription has been paused for 4 weeks. So guys, you see, you won't have access to this subscription during that time. So during the time of your pausing this app subscription, you will have access to the subscription. So guys, now this is how you can actually pause payment. This is how you can actually pause subscription for any kind of app on your Play Store on your Android device.